What's going on? Welcome back to another throwback video. Like I said, guys, I'm just giving you these throwback videos until I'm able to give you guys more content with the auction of me actually going live and checking out some cars. But as of right now, we're just going to check out some old cars that I bought and sold already. This is a 2006 Ford Taurus. This Ford Taurus only had 115,000 miles on it. As you can see, it was a little dinged up right there. But I got this car for $13.50, and as you can see, the front bumper was all the paint was all messed up and everything. I actually didn't sell this car. I winded up giving it to my auntie. So I actually didn't sell this car, but when I was trying to sell it, I remember like having it for about 3 weeks because I couldn't sell it. Wasn't nothing wrong with the car either. The AC worked, the heat worked, had an alarm system on, as you can see, pump trunk and everything. It was nice, it was clean. Just was the front bumper and a couple of little dings. But other than that, the car was clean, as you can see, like it was immaculate. But I had a hard time even getting $2,000 for the car. I'm not sure because it was a Taurus or what it was, but I wasn't basically letting the car go for under like 21. I think it might have been $2,000 or 21 at the time that I wanted for the vehicle, but wasn't nobody trying to pay, so I winded up just giving it to my auntie. So yeah, but I did pay $13.50 for the car. The car did run and drive, and yeah, the car's not running and driving no more because it's messed up, but the car did run and drive though. And the car didn't mess up because of the car. The car messed up because of the driver. So yeah, man. So I thank you guys for watching another video, man. Another throwback video. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think, you know, the car was worth $2,000? Because I definitely think that the car was worth $2,000. Like I said, I paid $13.50 for it. It was a 06. It was nice. It was clean. 115,000 miles. So just let me know what you guys think. You guys think I paid too much? You guys think I was asking too much? Like, what? I don't know what the problem was. And I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood for y'all. Let's see what we got. But yeah, man, this car was very clean. See, I'm taking a while to find the hood, but there we go. So 3.0 motor. Man, this car was clean, man. I don't understand why I couldn't get what I wanted for this car, but like I said, I had this car for about 3 weeks. But I thank y'all for watching my video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you subscribe. Hit you guys in the next one. We almost there, man. Almost there for auction access. But I'm gonna be taking you guys very soon. Peace.